Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here is the most breaking news from India. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that India aims to become a global leader in green hydrogen production, utilization, and export. He emphasized the immediate impacts of climate change and the need for urgent action. The National Green Hydrogen Mission is driving innovation, infrastructure, industry, and investment. We are investing in advanced research and development. Partnerships between industry and academia are being startups and entrepreneurs working in this domain are being encouraged, he stated. PM Modi highlighted the potential for creating a green jobs ecosystem. To enable this, we are also working on skill development for our youth in this sector, he said during his speech at the International Conference on Green Hydrogen India 2024. The event was organized by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, that is called MNRE, along with other governmental departments. PM Modi stressed that climate change impacts are already being felt globally. There is growing realization that climate change is not just a matter of the future. The impact of climate change is being felt here and now. The time for action is also here and now. Energy transition and sustainability have become central to global policy discourse, he noted. He called for collective and innovative solutions to overcome these challenges. Friends, humanity has faced many challenges in the past. Each time we overcame adversities through solutions that were collective and innovative, he added. PM Modi mentioned India's significant progress in climate action. Yeah, we were the first among G20 nations to fulfill our Paris commitments on green energy 9 years ahead of the 2030 target, he said. He pointed out that India's installed non-fossil fuel capacity increased nearly 300% over the last decade, with solar energy capacity rising over 3000% in the same period. Despite these achievements, India remains focused on strengthening existing solutions. Behind this exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.